Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to practice showcasing an individual product using what we call a C360 experience. We're going to focus only on the steps needed to quickly create and present a single object. We won't go through the full interface here, that's coming in a later video. The goal is to help you create something clean and professional that you can use with a client on the fly. So we're going to start by adding a plan. We're going to tap New Plan. The window comes up that asks you to name the plan. We're going to name this C360 platform and hit add. And this is creating that plan is going to open the plan workspace automatically. When any workspace opens, it opens right to the layout mode. Here, you're going to ignore everything else on the screen and you're going to tap template. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the template options and you're going to tap platform. You're going to use your one finger to drag that back and center it. If you tap that platform, you'll see that it's a 10-foot by 10-foot platform that we're going to use to showcase our furniture. Now you're going to go to your workshop mode options. It's already highlighted in blue. You tap it once and you're going to 3D mode. Now that platform is right there, opened up in 3D. You're going to use your one finger to rotate the platform, move the platform side to side. You can use two fingers to move that platform closer to you. Use one finger to drag it up, bring it closer. So you have that platform centered just where you want it so you can display your furniture. Now we're going to open the object and material shelf. It's on the left-hand side. You tap the handle. It's going to open that shelf. It defaults to the models. And this is where we're going to focus to get our products onto the platform. And we're only going to focus on the Calico products. We're going to focus on sofas today. This lists all the available products in all their categories. So we're going to tap on sofas, and you can tap on any sofa here to get a preview of it. This is the Russell sofa. It tells you right there. You can now scroll through and preview all the available sofas in the sofa category. You can close this window anytime you're ready, and then you can drag whatever model you want onto your platform. So you tap, don't let go, drag it over to your flat platform until that sofa lands and starts to blink, and you keep moving your finger now that it's landed and position the sofa exactly where you want it. I can now do a couple things, move it around with my finger. You see I can tap, I can move it and adjust the position. If I tap out of it, you'll notice that the object toolbar is gone and the sofa is no longer highlighted. And if I use my finger, I'll be moving the platform. If I want to move the sofa again, I tap the sofa and I can move that sofa by using the movement icon on the toolbar so I can move that sofa back and forth. This is important. When you deselect the sofa and select it again and you want to move it, you have to tap the movement icon on the toolbar to move that sofa around. Here we're going to open that object and material shelf again, and I'm going to tap on the little paintbrush. This is a dual shelf. The little chair is where all of your models are. The paintbrush is all of your materials, including Calico branded fabrics, our focus today. Tap on Calico branded fabrics, and it's going to take you to a very intuitive search bar for the Calico fabrics. So you can search by color, you can search by pattern, you can search by material type if you're looking for strictly upholstery weight. You can tap on upholstery weight, and that's what we're looking for today. And you can actually click on different collections. So you can look at new arrivals, you can look at particular designers that are available through Calico, and you can also pick on performance fabrics, which shows you can pick through Sin, Suede, Umbrella, whatever brand you're looking for. Today we're looking for an upholstery fabric, and I'm going to tap in that search bar and I want to look for Vern Yip upholstery fabric. So I'm going to type in the word Vern and then hide my keyboard, and I'm going to use one of these fabrics on my sofa. So I'm going to go ahead and look at these fabrics. If you tap on a fabric, it's going to open up a preview window just like it did with the models. You can scroll through all the fabrics to see their product name and the color. So this is Ryan, is a Vern Yip performance fabric, and is in color taupe. This is perfect. It's upholstery weight, it's performance. I'm going to close this. You can see where I just had that highlighted, I'm going to drag it over just like you did when you drug the sofa over to the platform. I'm dragging that fabric over to the sofa until that sofa starts to blink. If I drag it to the platform, it's going to try to put that variant fabric right on the platform. I'm going to drag it back up to the sofa, let go, and it's asking me, where do I want to apply this fabric? I'm going to apply it to one of the fabric placeholders, and I'm going to apply it to the body of the sofa. From here, I kind of like the look of that contrast welt, but I want to pick another Vernier performance fabric for that contrast welt. So you can actually pick any one of these fabrics again and drag that fabric over to the sofa and change the color of the welt. So there's my sofa. From here, it's simple. You already learned about the render manager. You're going to tap on that diamond. You're going to tap on screenshot. You're going to save that image. And now it's as simple as going right back to your photos, finding that screenshot, and there's that picture of your sofa that you can now share with your client. One quick thing before we go today, I want to show you that you're not limited just to one piece on your platform. You can add an ottoman. So I'm going to tap that sofa, tap on my movement icon, move that sofa back, and I'm going to add an ottoman. Go back to your models, Calico products, click on ottomans and benches, and I'm going to pick, let's see, I think this is the Jeffrey. Yep, that's the Jeffrey ottoman. I'm going to pull that ottoman right on over in front of my sofa. I'm going to angle, using my 2 fingers and 1 finger, angle that so I see that sofa and ottoman at a better angle. And now I'm going to change the fabric on that ottoman the same way that you did before. Click on your fabrics. You can find the fabrics that you use. I'm going to use that darker brown, bring it over. I'm going to change both the welt and the fabric to that dark brown. Same thing, hit the diamond, hit screenshot, save image, close. You're all done. So that's how you quickly create a clean, professional C360 product view that you can share with your client. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the object toolbar and how to use it to move, adjust, and control your objects more precisely. Thank you for watching.